Today we are going to see rectifier, a circuit which convert AC signal to pulsating DC or alternating current to direct current is known as rectifier. Principle used by the rectifier. Resistance of a diode is very small when it is forward bias and it is very high when it is reverse bias. Types of rectifier. There are two types of rectifier, half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. Full wave rectifier is again divided into two types, center tap full wave rectifier and bridge wave rectifier. Now we will see half wave rectifier. The circuit diagram of half wave rectifier is shown below. Here a transformer is being used, which is a step down transformer. The secondary of step down transformer is connected to series combination of diode D1 and load resistance RL. Transformer. It is a device which converts AC to AC with constant frequency. Mainly transformer is divided into two types, that is step up transformer and step down transformer. Step up transformer convert low voltage to high voltage with constant frequency, and step down transformer convert high voltage to low voltage with constant frequency. In half wave rectifier we are going to use step down transformer which will convert high voltage to low voltage with constant frequency. Here a symbol of step down transformer is shown. P1, P2 are the primary terminals, S1, S2 are the secondary terminals, N1 and N2 are the number of primary and secondary turns, V1 is the primary voltage and V2 is the secondary voltage. Output voltage of a transformer is given by a simple formula, V2 is equal to N2 divided by N1 multiplied by V1. Diode. Diode is an electronic component which allows the flow of current in only one direction, that is anode towards the cathode. Current flows only when diode is forward biased, that is anode is connected to the positive terminal of battery and cathode is connected to the negative terminal of battery. Here two diagrams are shown. In first diagram, diode is connected, anode of diode is connected to the positive terminal of battery and cathode is connected to the negative terminal of battery. So the diode will act as a short circuit. In second diagram, anode is connected to the negative terminal of battery and cathode is connected to the positive terminal of battery. So diode will act as an open circuit. Load resistance RL. RL is any device which operates on DC supply. Now we will see the working of half wave rectifier. Now working is divided into two parts. First is for input positive half cycle and second one is for input negative half cycle. Now we will see the first case. In the first case, when a positive half cycle is being applied, A is positive with respect to D. A will be positive with respect to D. As A is connected to the anode of diode D1 will get forward bias and it will act as a short circuit. So current start flows from A, diode D1, B, RL, C and then the terminal D. In this way the circuit is being completed. But in the second case, when input applied is negative half cycle, at that time A will be negative with respect to D, or we can say D will be positive with respect to A. So as A is connected to the anode of diode D1 will get reverse bias and it will act as a open circuit. As it is open circuit cannot be completed. So it will be open circuited and output will be equal to 0. Now we will see the waveform. As we know, for positive half cycle circuit is being completed, so we will get the same input towards the output. So we will get the same positive half cycle. But in case of negative half cycle, as circuit was not completed, we will get zero output. And hence this is known as half wave rectifier. Only half cycle is being rectified, hence it is known as half wave rectifier. Thank you.